Okay, good morning children. Yesterday I explained about step deviation method. But somebody seen the video, somebody are not seeing the videos. Who are seeing the videos are asking doubts. So some students send their homework through WhatsApp. Some students done mistakes. So and also yesterday one problem I done calculation mistake. That is 7 into minus 1 means I wrote minus 1. So one student asked me. So that's why I want to re-explain this problem again. Everybody must do homework and send WhatsApp for me this homework. This is a very important problem. That's why even though today Sunday, I am explaining this problem. So be careful about this one. I am explaining this again. Here they give number of students, number of days, number of students. So these are the class intervals: 35 to 38. 38 to 41, 41 to 44, 44 to 47, 47 to 50, 50 to 53, 53 to 56. That means all these are exclusive classes. After that, one number of students means this is the frequency. That means in these days there are one student is there, here 3 students are there, here 4 students, like that. So this is the question actually what they give. So if you want to apply step deviation method or you want to find mean, first you have to know how to find class mark. Class mark, that is simply xi. Class mark also known as mid value. Already I told how you get class mark. Class mark means only first time I saying example 35 plus 38 by 2. You have to add this power 35 plus 38 by 2. 35 plus 38 by 2 means how much if you add that one? So 73 by 2. 73 by 2. If you do cancellation, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, you will get 36.5. Again I am telling that one. How you get class mark means, class mark I am writing formula here. How you get class mark is equal lower limit plus upper limit by 2. This is the class mark formula. So for the second class interval also same thing you have to apply. That is 38 plus 41 by 2. 38 plus 41 by 2 how much? 79 by 2. 79 by 2 means if you do cancellation you will get 39.5. You will get 39.5. Like that. Remaining you have to calculate directly. Remaining you have to calculate directly. What is this one? 41 plus 44. So I am writing everything step, but you have no need to write these steps. 41 plus 44 by 2, that is you will get 85 by 2. 85 by 2 means 42.5. If you do 85 of half, 42.5. For the next class interval, you will get 44 plus 47 by 2, you will get 91 by 2. If you add one 91 by 2, that is 45.5. 45.5. So you calculate directly now onwards. So next what you will get? 47 plus 50. That is 47 plus 50 by 2, you will get 97 by 2, that is 48.5. For the next class interval, 50 plus 53 by 2, that is 103 by 2, you will get 51.5. Last class interval, 53 plus 56 by 2, that is 109 by 2, you will get 54.5. So if you observe first 36.5, 36.5 plus 3, 39.5, 39.5 plus 3, 42.5, 42.5 plus 3, 45.5, 48.5, 51.5, 54.5. So no need to write the steps. Directly you are able to write means write this one. So how you get class mark means, class mark is equal lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So you got class marks here 36.5 and 39.5. How you get class mark means lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Like this you have to add class interval lower limit plus upper limit, you have to do division. So I wrote steps here, no need to write steps. After that one, after calculating this one, already I told you have to select assumed mean. How you select assumed mean? Arbitrary mean. A. Generally you have, I told that one you have to collect in the middle of the anything. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the values we are here having? 36.5, 39.5, 42.5, 45.5, 48.5, 51.5 and 54.5. So anything you have to take as a assumed mean. That means, so I am taking this as assumed mean. A. Anything you take, no problem. Already I told anything from any one of the class mark will be taken as assumed mean. After that one, I told you have to calculate di is equal to xi minus a. Di is equal to xi minus a. So many students are doing wrong here. So di equal to xi minus a. For the purpose then I am writing steps. Xi means all the class mark. What is the first one? 36.5 minus a value 42.5. So 36.5 minus 42.5, how much you, if you subtract, what you will get? 42 minus 42.5 minus 36. So you will get minus 6 if you do subtraction. Next 39.5 minus 42.5. You will get, if you do the subtraction, minus 3. Next 42.5 minus 42.5 equal to 0. Next 45.5 minus 42.5 equal to 3. Again 48.5 minus 42.5 equal to 6. Next 51.5 minus 42.5 equal to 9. Next 54.5 minus 42.5, if you do subtraction, 12. So di is equal to xi minus a. Already I told that one, di equal to xi minus a. So from each class mark you have to subtract 42.5 because I took a here. After that one I told you have to calculate ui value. Ui is equal to, how you get, xi minus a by h. Xi minus a by h, that is or di by h. What you are having di value, this one, or di by h. So here h means class size. What is the class size here? 38 minus 35 equal to 3. That means here h is equal to 3. Class size bracket h equal to 3. How you know class size means? The difference between upper limit and minus lower limit. That is 38 minus 30. Class size equal to, if you write 38 minus 35 equal to 3. This is the class size. So after that one you have to do division with the, you have to do division with 3. That is minus 6 by 3, minus 3 by 3, 0 by 3, 3 by 3, 6 by 3, 9 by 3, 12 by 3. So if you do cancellation you get minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So anywhere ui value will get like that only. 0, upwards minus 1, minus 2, downwards 1, 2, 3, 4. So after calculating ui, you have to calculate fi ui. So fi ui. What is the fi means? This is fi, this is ui. So yesterday I did a mistake here. That is, first you have to multiply 1 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Next 3 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 3. 4 into 0 is equal to 0. 4 into 1 equal to 4. 7 into 2 equal to 14. 10 into 3 equal to 30. 11 into 4 equal to 44. 11 into 4 equal to 44. So this is the UI, FI UI value. So after that one, FI UI, you have to add all FI UI values. That is sigma FI UI termed as sigma FI UI. That means if you add positive terms, 4 plus 4, 14, 18, 18 plus 30, 48, 48 plus 44, 92. If you add all the terms, 92 you will get. Again I am telling 0 plus 4, 4, 14, 4 plus 14, 18, 18 plus 30, 48, 48 plus 4, 44, 92. This negative value minus 2 minus 3 means minus 5. So 92 minus 5 means it will become 87. That will become 87. So if you add all these frequencies, you will get sigma Fi. That is sigma Fi equal to 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 10 29, 29 plus 11 40 you will get. So this is sigma Fi you got 87, sigma Fi equal to 40. So see children, the table very carefully everyone. Class interval, frequency, after that one class mark. Class mark is equal lower limit plus upper limit by 2. After that you have to calculate DI. DI is equal xi minus a. That means from each class mark you have to subtract arbitrary constant, that is assumed mean. You will get that value. After that one you have to calculate UI. UI means DI by H. You have to do the division with the given value with the class size. What is the class size here? H is equal to 3. That means minus 6 by 3, minus 3 by 3 like that. After that one you calculate Fi UI. Therefore you got sigma Fi UI equal to 87, sigma Fi equal to 40. So from the table we get sigma Fi UI equal to 87 and sigma Fi equal to 40 you are having. Now I want to apply mean formula, step deviation. So mean, that is represented by x bar, is equal, already told, a plus sigma Fi UI by sigma Fi into h. So this is the mean formula for the step deviation method. Sigma Fi UI 87 and h is also 3 value. So what is the value of a you are having? The value of a you are having, a equal to 42.5 you are having. So 42.5 plus sigma Fi UI means you are having 87 by sigma Fi means 40 into h means 3 you are having. So that is 42.5 plus, either any cancellation? No, that's why you have to multiply 87 into 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 2, 261 by 40. So 42.5 plus 261 by 40. After that one you have to do division with 40. That is, you have to calculate 40 tables. 41s are 40, 42s 80, 40 into 6. That is 0, 6 spots are 240. That is 6 times. This will become 240, 1, 2. You have to point, calculate 0, 210. That means 45s are 200. That is 10. So 0. 42s are 80. So leave like that 20, no problem. Up to 2 places you can do. So that is 42.5 plus 6.52. If you add 42.5 means 50. That is 6.52 means 2, 10, 62 plus 8, that is 49. That is 49.02. This is the mean value. So by using step deviation method, you get the mean value is 49.02. Children, in examination you can do any method, either direct method or step deviation method. But I told for problem simple calculation, that means simple values you are having means small values, you have to use direct method. If big values like class intervals and frequency, big values are there means large values, then it is better to apply step deviation method. In examination you can do either direct method or step deviation method. Today I explained question number 8 for you. So question number 9, complete as a homework and submit for me through WhatsApp. Tomorrow you are having online class directly. I will ask you questions also. So please do everyone this problem again without seeing, and after that one question number 9 you can do. Everybody complete CW exercise 14.1. Okay, in CW complete that one. You have to complete exercise 14.1, 14.2, everything. Okay, so do carefully this one again without seeing that one. Thank you.